Kia ora, I'm Ross Karl, and can you believe it? We're all set for semi-final time in Super Rugby Pacific. We have another jam-packed episode of Rugby Nation for you this week after a massive weekend of quarterfinals. And it all started with the Blues taking on the Waratahs at home. 95% of you predicted the Blues would take this one out. So was it that convincing? Let's head to Eden Park and find out.
Barrett going high again, Talia giving chase, allowed to bounce by Tane Edmed, and the Blues getting to it initially, but now it's been snapped up. And now an opportunity here with the ball in the hands of Ned Hannigan, and he's going to score. Well, it was a loose ball. It was a 50-50, but in the end, the Waratahs have come up with the opening try, scored by Ned Hannigan. But here's Talia. Can't get away from Hooper. Oh, yes, he can. Don't ever say he can't get out of a tackle.
Tackle!
You make a liar of you every time. Now, bit of space here. Quickly through the hands, AJ Lamb. Finding a bit of space. Oh, great offload on the inside. Heen! You won it! Christie with him! Finley Christie! Oh, the Blues go end-to-end. What a beauty!
You caught it, TJ. Beautifully executed. The home crowd, they go wild. They love that sort of stuff.
It'll disappear pretty quickly here. Walton gets it away. Floated pass over the top. Beat into the corner. He just wants to check the grounding.
And then it's Finlay Christie over the top.
Dead set drop that. Oh, the Blues have shown the ability to just hammer away close to the line. Satutu, good strong leg drive from him.
Got to release, White, got to release!
Riccatelli again. Tucker now over the ball. Going to feed it back
Use
though.
it!
Satutu. Good goal line defence from the Waratahs. But can they hold? No, they can't. And it's big Nipo Laulala who scores an important try just before the break. Barrett got some shape to their attack here. He quickly on. Tapali storming down the right wing side. Satutu is there with him. Gleeson got back. He popped it up and right man, right time. Harrison Goddard. So, Blues attacking line out. 8 metres from the line. Satutu has it. And the Blues, well, they were short in numbers, the Waratahs, and now here's Riccatelli. He's over. But has he got it down? Yes, he has. Sends it wide. Doing a fuss, he's just short. Another go at the line. Tucker this time denied. Riccatelli sends it away. Christie, numbers. Zane Sullivan goes in low. And the Blues are in again. Not. Clever pass away to Suafa. How about the step? And the offload to Segner. He goes to the line. Can he get it down? Held up. Wilson put on the ground. And on. Talia's picked it up. Off he goes. And Mark Talia equals the Blues season record of 12 tries. It's all blue here at Eden Park.
And built on defensive pressure as well. It's probably one of his easiest tries.
Well, we're getting the news that Charlie Gamble has failed his HIA. And so he won't be back. So Rocky Swinton will have to see the game out. Donaldson tries a kick out. Peach this time, well, he was denied in the first half. Not this time. Nice kick into space. And Dylan Peach at last stems the momentum with a try. Robinson's been good at line-out time tonight. Now Perofeta. Wow, these plays, they're just opening up again. Sullivan off a nice overhead pass from Talia. Lamb loses it as he goes into the corner. Knock. Can they find the line again? Trying to jab the kick through, but it's been rebounded, picked up, and charging away with it is Taleni Seal. Foketi cut down, great defence from Stephen Paddlefed, and now the loose ball's being picked up by Dalton Papali'i. Blues have numbers away to the left. Rico Ioane, great ball away to Robinson, and the Big Red goes steaming down to the 22. Sets the ball behind him, skip to Leah, who else? He's there. Knock. Oh, spectacular stuff now. Wheeling in the tackle is Satutu. And a penalty. 5 tries to 2. This will be 41-12 if this goes over. And the Blues are the first team through to the Super Rugby Pacific semi-finals for 2023. Comprehensive win over the Waratahs at Eden Park by 41 points to 12.
So the Blues made easy work of the task to lock in a second straight semi, which Blues captain Dalton Papali'i predicted would be against the Crusaders, the team they lost last year's final to. He wasn't ready to celebrate their quarterfinal win though, saying his blood is already boiling in anticipation of playing their arch rivals. To make good on Papali'i's prediction, the Crusaders needed revenge against the Drua for March's historic upset in Fiji. Could they also topple the Crusaders in Christchurch? We'll have that action straight after the break.
Hold it. Yeah, he regathered that.
Now here's Moanga. Christie works it away for Enor. Braden Enor still on his feet, still going. 3 metres short. Now Drummond gets it away for Jaeger. Ollie Jaeger looking to find the grass, and he does. Cody Taylor fires it in. Barrett wins it. And they look well organised here as they edge forward. Taylor's got the ball. Still got it. Now lunging towards the line. Still being held out. Now he goes. And that's try number 2. Well, I wasn't hitting subtle about this either. As again Taylor joins. And he could well pick up another one in the space of another 5 minutes. Having to look to the blind side. Now he goes. Yep, we're going to change tactics. So up it goes for Williams, to Mighty Williams. Now Christie fires it away. Here is Leo Willie right out by the goalpost. And diving through and scoring is Havili Talitui. Teti Tala with another restart. Down as far as Jordan. Reaching back and grabbing it was Leo Willie. He's had a really good season for the Crusaders in the position normally occupied by Cullen Grace. Intercept. Oh, that's a giveaway. And a try coming up for Ravu Tamunda. Just like that. Throws to the line out. Oh, he's overthrown it, but it's somehow worked out all right for the Crusaders. Here is the run from Leo Willie. Off it goes to Barrett. And the Crusaders are in again. And they'll have a crack. And offside again. Ball is there for the Crusaders. Another crack at the Drua line.
Leave it! Leave it, Twilly! Leave it!
Is in after it. Now to Jordan. Surely you can get through here. Well, Jordan, he does. Still playing under this penalty advantage. Hines looking left and right. Now the ball handed off for Strange. Get back in the tackle. Here goes Hines. And try scored, Willie Hines. And that'll be it. As referee Pickerel blows the whistle. Game is over. And the Crusaders are into yet another semi-final Fiji and Drua bow out after an excellent season. And the final score here in Christchurch, 49 points to 8.
The Crusaders continued their perfect playoff run at home with ease, but didn't get away unscathed. Injuries forced them to play the last 10 minutes with just 13 players. That's heaping pressure on ahead of next week's clash with the Blues, and they'll desperately be hoping All Blacks Richie Mo'unga and Ethan Blackadder will be fit. While a massive showdown between the Blues and Crusaders is locked in, hype was building in Hamilton, where the cowbells were ringing loud for the high-flying Chiefs. It was never an assured result, as the Reds were the only team to beat them in the regular season. Could they do it again in the Tron?
But here come the Chiefs.
You're pushing it into him. Slow ball.
Weber once more. Rameka Pohepi, the wing kick pass across to the wing of Emori Narua. Chipping through Narua, looking for the opening try in the quarterfinal, and he's going to score it! That is an absolute beauty from the Chiefs.
Okay, let's just put that on the screen. Looking at a possible push by the Chiefs player on the Reds player. Okay, Lek, there's a push in the back by the 11 from the Chiefs, which has pushed the player off the ball. It's going to be a no try. Advantage.
As Brody Ratellett comes in hard on defence, but Brad Weber's been caught offside. So the Reds, a chance to open their account, and they might just do it in the corner. Vunivalu! Suliasi Vunivalu gets the opening try for the Reds. Samipini Finau and others. Talent to burn. Leonard Brown away from McKenzie. Stevenson thought about the pass, and he's driven down in the tackle of Vunivalu.
Nothing there, boys.
We'll come back
for the offside.
A call for offside. McKenzie, similar position, 30 out. Sweat off the tee. Flags up again, crowd love it. And the Chiefs have the lead in the quarterfinal. Fiesler has scored plenty from this possession so far this season. McGrath has it locked in. Here they go, trying to spin his way through. McGrath, the Reds, they go once more. They've got a penalty advantage. And Harry Wilson claims the try for the Reds.
Yeah. Lek, you there?
Go ahead.
On-field decision is a try. We just want to have a look at how the try scorer scored the try and whether he was on his feet or not.
Oh, I think this is okay.
Yeah, he technically hasn't hit the deck. He's kind of falling in the motion and picked it up, hasn't he, KT?
The grounding is good, and I believe he's on his feet when he rips this ball, and he just rolls over the top and grounds it legally, in my opinion.
Yeah.
Angus, you can award the try.
Okay.
McKenzie again. Nice handling from the Chiefs. Stevenson.
Range over.
Across for Narua. Emori's in.
Well, absolutely sublime from the Chiefs. Miss pass, back ball. Sean Stevenson goes through a hole, flying at 100 miles an hour with the skill to put it on the chest to Narua. That's how you finish.
Kenny Marasaturo being used in that first receiver role again. No slippery on the defensive line. They've got an advantage too. And again, they're pinged for not rolling. Cowbell's ring. Up with Peter Gus. Little wry smile.
Not rolling.
Saw this pasture in behind, but they'll have a shot at the post here.
And it's always in a prime position right in front of the post for Damien McKenzie.
They won't miss from there. Damien McKenzie extends the half-time lead for the Chiefs. They read it well. They tried hold at Tini Nalai-Satura. They've done better, in fact. They've won the turnover ball as Liner chips it behind no one home.
That's inside the 50.
That is a lovely kick inside the 50.
50-22.
And how's that for a 50-22 from young Tom Liner? Fiesler. There it goes again. He's been so good from this part of the field this season.
Not once.
Big part of the reason they've got that top line out stacked. Getting it moving forward, the Reds. Down it goes, Udu having a stab. Just short.
Hands behind, hands behind. Good.
Vunivalu looking for two, he scores!
Seizing the situation, takes that ball. No one was there. That's awareness at its finest.
Advantage.
And they've got a penalty advantage. Eventually, the Reds succumb. but the Chiefs will look to take the full toll here. Puihepe. 15 phases as the Chiefs jump rings out. Leonard Brown chasing. And it just beats everybody. Oh, McKenzie pops over another one. And the Reds trailing by 2. Norris. Brody Rotella trying to wade his way through. Gets it away to Dyer. Trying to reach his way over. Peter Gasol-Kula has scored it. Could that be it for the Chiefs? Could that be their place in the Super Rugby semi-finals?
Inside, no.
There's the hooter. One last carry for Ollie Norris. Ratima sends it back for Joshua Arnett. And the Chiefs march into the semi-finals of Super Rugby Pacific in 2023. A courageous effort from the Reds. They look to go back-to-back over the Chiefs this season, but in the end, it is the minor premiers who march on tonight, and they win it by 29 points to 20.
Well, what a match. The Chiefs holding off the Reds' relentless kicking strategy to breathe a massive sigh of relief. No doubt Clayton McMillan would have liked less stress in the dying stages, but he believes surviving that will serve them well in the semis. The Chiefs now turn their attention to another home playoff game, but will it be against the Hurricanes or the Brumbies? We'll have all the action from that quarterfinal right after the break. Welcome back. Buoyed by their 1-point comeback win over the Crusaders in the final round, the Hurricanes headed to Canberra confident of winning their 2022 quarterfinal rematch. But it always promised to be a nail-biter against the Brumbies, who had only lost 4 times this season, and the game certainly delivered.
Back midfield now, Yotte smashes his way into slipper. Slowly away there was Samu, and it's a fresh penalty advantage here for the Hurricanes. Savea getting the outside and getting a one-handed ball away. Oh, it's a beauty. And he finds Naholo, and the Hurricanes are in.
Well, it's the perfect start to a sudden death finals match.
Valentini now. Trying to wriggle his way over. Debrasini out the back play for Ikitau, keeps it alive for Sampson. No tool, no problems for the Brumbies, and it's 7-5. All Black runs in a wallaby. It was Barrett on slip, and I think the call might be here for a high tackle. Maybe Morby coming into the line. Put down by Neville. Can they go down that left-hand side?
High tackle back.
It was a high tackle. The first penalty shot is equally good for the Canes, and they retake the lead. Neville. Coles will just let him have that carry and set up in defence. Ikitau sinking into contact. Good build up this for the Brumbies. Debrasini going himself. It's Debrasini over. Roygaard leans on that huge left boot. It's a lovely kick, and even better chase, and now comes back for the Hurricanes. They've got the penalty advantage here as well, do they? Naholo caught by Ikitau in a touch, but we're coming back. Cameron. And it will have enough on. The direction's good as well.
Opportunity left for the Brumbies.
White goes to right, holds it up for Ikitau on the angle, and he powers his way over.
Absolutely brilliant play. Once again from the Brumbies in the 22.
Again, Frost getting low with another tackle.
Playing advantage.
Big Frost in the passing lane there, and gets penalised. So an opportunity here
Play on at this stage
for the Hurricanes. If they like to have a shot at the post, they may just take it. 1916, Drew.
Set!
Penalty Brumbies. Debrasini made good contact with each of his shots on goal tonight. He steps in. His first throw is on the button as well. Savea slings it wide for Geordie Barrett. Cameron with a rainbow pass out wide. Goes to Simpkinson. Excellent feet to cut back in field and give his runners a chance to line up now and get his side 6 away. The Hurricanes. Savea. Savea is too strong. He is a machine. He goes up a level and he puts the Canes right back in it. Reimer over the top. Penalty advantage. Nick Wright didn't get out of that contact zone, and the Hurricanes have the penalty advantage to try and work with here. Proctor.
Run backwards, guys.
And it is good. This one spins around and spits out, and on go the visitors. Flanders. Oh, Flanders. Oh, hey, Flanders. He's taken it 60.
Yeah, great capitalisation on a scrum that was wheeling violently around.
McInerney goes to Hooper. Couple of replacements looking to bring their side back into the contest. They're steaming, and they're over the line. It's Lukey Reimer for the Brumbies. Towards the post, Lonergan going back short side. Lolosio isolated. Takes a second roll there. Valentini. Lonergan going to Tom Wright.
And scores in the corner. And the Hurricanes are frustrated and filthy. The Brumbies are celebrating, and emotions boil over.
Yep. Unbelievable defence, unbelievable patience in attack. Now Barrett, Geordie Barrett trying to drive his way through.
He's pinned in there.
Can't do it. They get over the line. They've got it down though. Oh wow.
I've got that ball is held up. My on-field decision's no try.
Oh, gee, Dad.
Has he got his fingers under it?
Hand under it.
It's under it.
Is he denying?
Yeah.
So, Nick, based on the angles that I have available, I don't have a clear grounding.
His sign-off.
So it's held up.
Brumbies win. Incredible. Full time. The Brumbies 37. The Hurricanes 33.
A brutal way to go out for the Canes and their departing coach Jason Holland after such an epic comeback in the second half. And it left Ardie Savea overcome with emotion as he insisted he scored the disallowed try.
Oh, wow. Yeah, come down to their last kind of play, and as much as I disagree, but that's just the way footy is, and it doesn't go your way, sometimes it does, and I scored it, brother. Initially I scored it and then he held me up. But hey, it is what it is, man. I'm gutted, but honestly, brother, I'm just truly grateful and blessed, bro, to be here and play this game for my club and my team. So, pretty special moment, but yeah, it's good.
So that decides our semi-finalists. Let's recap. The Blues will head south for one of the biggest rivalries in the game, the Crusaders in Christchurch. The Southerners will be hoping for a repeat of their last encounter in round 12. The Brumbies face a tough task in the Tron in what promises to be another thrilling match against the Chiefs. The Aussies will be hoping to improve on their last result from a few weeks back when the Chiefs won by 10 points. Well, there you have it. 2 blockbuster semi-finals to look forward to, and even better if you're in Hamilton or Christchurch. But if not, we'll have it all for you wrapped up here on Rugby Nation next week. Until then, mā te wā.